Let's check on everything that comes with Oppo A6 Pro 5G. So first of all, we'll need to open the box. As you can see, it's brand new and we don't even need a knife for it. We can simply remove the tapes like this. Then if they are removed, we'll be able to open the box. And now, first thing you will see is a cardboard which will contain a cable. We also have instructions, SIM ejection tool and warranties and everything like that. There's nothing else in that box. And finally our device. And that is everything that comes with this device. We only get a cable and the phone itself. Cable is standard USB to USB-C, and if you're wondering which charger you should be getting for this phone, I think we should be able to read it right here. As you can see, yes, we have 10 to 50 watts charger, 55 watts charger. So if you want a perfect charger, just get a 55 watts one. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing.